Hi, this is Eric Cummings for my TE150 Global Learning Project, and I guess I'm just going to spend a few minutes talking about the last two interactions that me and my partner for the Global Learning Project had. Um, so we had to take a little more time with this because we both have really busy schedules. But on Thursday, I went with him to a Korean restaurant because he's originally from South Korea, or from Korea in general, and then he moved to South Africa, and he went to kind of an American school there, so he's actually already really familiar with American culture and everything. But he was born in Korea, and then he moved to South Africa, and now he's in America. And what we did on Thursday is he brought me to a Korean restaurant, and I got to have some of the food there. And going into it, I was kind of excited actually because I have had food like that before, just not a lot. So I didn't really go. I probably should have gone further outside of my comfort zone with this, but I kind of just got. I think I remember it was pork or something, but it was really good. And there was also some other stuff that they put with the meal. I think one of the things was called fish cake or something. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, it was definitely an interesting experience seeing the different types of foods they have because one of the things that he pointed out to me actually was that here in America, whenever we have food and stuff at restaurants, it's usually it's usually these different things in one meal. Like when you go to a restaurant, you have your burger and you have your fries and you have your drink and then you have dessert. And we kind of have all these separate sub things for meals. But at this, it was just all one big thing piled onto a plate. Like it wasn't different separate things. It was just all one big thing. And I definitely noticed that and I kind of liked it actually. Also, uh, another important thing, I learned how to use chopsticks, and I forgot pretty fast after. But that was an interesting experience. He had to try and get me to hold them the right way, so I wasn't really good at that, but I eventually figured it out. And yeah, so that was actually pretty fun. I really enjoyed it. And then today, actually, just just a couple hours ago, we went for my interaction. I said that I would probably take him to a movie or something. So we went to see the movie Arrival. Like we talked a lot before about how we were both big fans of big concept science fiction, adventure, stuff like that. Movies that make you think. And Arrival is definitely one of those movies. Man, I have a headache doing this right now because that movie has a really big twist at the end, and it's one of those twists where you look at it and then you look back at other parts of the movie and you can see the hints to that twist. But it's like a twist that completely changes the entire movie in a way I was not expecting. And holy crap, that movie was just really weird and mind-boggling. But yeah, we both enjoyed it. It was really thought-provoking for sure, and I'm probably gonna be thinking about it for a while now. But yeah, that was fun. And we both got to talk about like our experiences here at MSU and stuff, and and seeing other movies in general. And it was just really cool. It was a really cool experience to have, and it was really interesting. And we have kind of the same preferences when it comes to movies and stuff, which I think is kind of cool. So, yeah, that was that. On Thursday, we went to a Korean restaurant, and then uh, today we went and saw the movie Arrival, and yeah, it was really interesting. I actually had a really great time, and I think we both kind of learned more insights about our cultures and how they've shaped us because he actually has been influenced by American culture a lot, but I'm definitely more so because I've lived in America my whole entire life. I've never gone outside of North America,